Happy Monday, May 14th, everybody. Look at what we're dealing with this morning, my goodness! Fibonacci resistance, reversal zone 2740. If you browse videos going back the last few weeks, you will see these levels present in trading room for the last 2 weeks. This is ultimate Fibonacci resistance. This is ultimate pain and ultimate problem. The only points of entry that are present are very aggressive, overextended bullish rally with ultimate resistance 2740 area identified weeks in advance. That's a problem for knowledgeable day trader. Knowledgeable day trader looking to buy at support. This morning we're frozen at resistance. That's the only thing that's available this morning. Overextended bullish rally, overextended bullish trades. 10 years of price action and Fibonacci in front of you. That's the accuracy of the method I developed in 2008 when I realized very clearly that market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Using anything else is simply afterthought. Let's review what happened in the last few weeks in May. This is your day trading chart. Please remember, day trading room open maximum 2 hours per day, Monday through Thursday. Ultimate day trading point of entry on May 3rd. Do you remember why? Because this is not just day trading trend inception. This is only institutional trend inception. Look at that. Trend inception on daily chart. Chart present in front of you since last year. If you want to trade with institutions and not against them, buy with institutions. Trend inception, reversal zone on daily. May 3rd. Another point of entry outside of trading room hours on May 4th. Another point of entry on May 8th at support. The next week we dealt with overextended bullish rally. However, price keeps moving drastically higher. That's the only option present this morning. Nothing else is available. Second time around, this morning price reaches this Fibonacci target. Trader who knows the importance of this level will never disrespect this as target. Identified weeks in advance. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Knowledgeable trader knows to respect it as a target. Knowledgeable trader will never disrespect this level. Where price collapsed from? In European session. Ultimate brick wall. Will price right now skyrocket and break through? This is the only option this morning. As I continue warning you, institutions not selling this market. Institutions continue adding to their positions. Nothing else is present this morning. Only option. Extremely aggressive bullish points of entry. So again, as I continue warning you, if you will choose to disrespect this as your target, success is not possible. Level identified weeks in advance in a play. Second long is only option with this key target. If you convert this chart to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11-minute chart, accuracy remains the same. Level identified weeks in advance. If you convert this chart to 1, accuracy remains the same. Levels identified weeks in advance. This is the reason Fibonacci is a major buzz on Wall Street. Here's a reminder about one of very few people on Wall Street I admire. I highly encourage you, please Google and learn. about Renaissance Fund. One of the top funds in US based on Fibonacci, found by mathematician. And that's Fibonacci this morning. And that's our extended bullish rally. I continue warning you. Nothing else is present this morning. I continue warning you. It's a brick wall. Crawl is on. Any questions, please do ask. At key resistance this morning on S&P. Exact same dance as Amazon doing right now. What is the difference? This is your investment decisions. Amazon had visited this level many times this year. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Bullish rally on Amazon overextended. And that's S&P. Remember we discussed prior, it's a key target. Move your stop outside of break-even. Remember not to disrespect this as key target. Remember what happened on Euro? All the rules in the class. Let me remind you, in case you missed what we discussed on Euro prior. This is key Fibonacci resistance. Euro April. This is Euro daily. This is S&P 1 minute chart. In front of you. Identical level. This is where Euro is this morning. Crushed from this level. Until where? Reversal zone. In case you missed webinar last week, pretty please pull up that webinar where I said my bias is bullish. Are you surprised where Euro sold off from? Should not be. Always keep target on your trade. Moving your stop outside of break-even and respecting it as your target is a key. Market heading higher, one step at a time. However, key target is present, essential to respect. Moving your stop outside of break-even and respecting this as key target, key rule in the course. Crush and burn 1 minute chart S&P just like Euro had done. When we're dancing this close to Fibonacci resistance with your key target in a play, ultimate reminder, always and forever play by the rule and never disrespect it as your target. Crawl is on. So will S&P 1 minute chart follow the reminder on Euro? Follow the reminder to always respect this as your key target in your trading. Again, the trade is not on 1 minute chart. I convert every single chart to 1 minute chart so you can witness the accuracy of the method. This is key target in your trading, always and forever. Moving the stop outside of break-even is the key. S&P sitting here 5 more minutes. Walking down memory lane as we're monitoring S&P frozen at decision point 2. This is chart on gold from the trading room, February 2016. This is what gold had done next. Reached decision point 2. Should not be surprised. Where did the gold reversed from? Reversal zone. All the same formula. Each and every time. And that's 1 minute chart on S&P. What is the difference? Gold weekly, your investment decisions on gold. This is day trading decisions on S&P. Do you want to trade gold? Do you want to trade euro? Choice is yours. You decide what's appropriate for you. Do you remember this chart on Ferrari present in front of you for years? Look at that. Ferrari is struggling very close to decision point 2. No surprise. Identical formula as you're witnessing in front of you every day on S&P. S&P revisiting decision point 2. Choose a tick, price is struggling. Knowledgeable trader expected that. Knowledgeable trader protected his profits. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well that being follower in day trading never an option. Agree? And that's the market this morning. And that's proprietary Fibonacci levels, proprietary Fibonacci strategies in front of you every day. You decide what you want to trade. This is Apple this morning. Where is Apple now? Decision point 2. This is your investment decisions. Let me remind you, in case you missed all the discussions on Apple before earnings. This was Apple. Do you remember this on Apple? When I said this is key Fibonacci support, monitor for reversal on Apple. This is what Apple had done next. No surprise. Skyrocketed from Fibonacci support. Exact same thing as Tesla had done. What is the difference between Tesla versus Apple? Tesla is struggling to break through this brick wall to head higher. Apple succeeded, and so did S&P. Identical strategy. Are you surprised S&P is frozen and struggling at decision point 2? Choose a tick, price respecting this level. And that's the accuracy of the method I developed in 2008. Since 2011, I've worked with complete beginner traders. I worked with hedge fund managers. I work with traders who trade in few $1,000 account, even micro forex account in third world countries, to hedge fund managers who trade in 7-8 figures account using my method. I live and breathe Fibonacci, and that's the reason students become my dearest friends for life. I teach you how to fish. You decide what fish you want to catch. Is it futures? Is it forex? Is it stocks? Is it options? Is it euro? Is it pound? Do you want to hold position 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 years? Choice is yours. Choose a tick, price is struggling as expected. Here's my favorite reminder of decision point 2. Let's walk down memory lane, shall we? Because once again I would like to remind you, it's all about your investment decisions. If you can day trade, you can invest using proprietary Fibonacci method with drastically more ease. Famous 1800 decision point 2 on monthly. Do you remember 2014, 2015, 2016? This is a chart that's been present in the trading room since 2011. Key correction, key Fibonacci support. Do you see 2800 in front of you? Was it reached 2 years later? Of course it was. And that's the accuracy of the method you see every single day. As I warned you, expect S&P to crash from this level. If it will crash like euro, it's a gift. If it will crash as low as possible to support, market became much more interesting. If you've never read book Outliers, pretty please do. The book Outliers showing you very clearly if you combine 10,000 hours of effort with passion, you create very powerful product. That's what you're seeing in front of you every day. A whole lot more than 10,000 hours of effort. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to visit us in the course, pretty please review the information on the website, underlearn, and join us in the course. Our classes are live, group sessions, 8 weeks, private mentoring 16, includes all live classes. You learn the rule-based method with proprietary Fibonacci strategies you cannot learn anywhere else. With proprietary Fibonacci tool you cannot learn anywhere else. In private mentoring 4 months, I concentrate on the instrument of your choice and platform of your choice, and you have all group classes included. Once you prove to me that you are serious about trading, I can invite you to advanced trading and other workshops. But what you're witnessing in front of you every day applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. So let's hope this time around S&P will give us very powerful pullback, as once again you witnessed on prior 2 trades the accuracy of the method, the only trades present this morning. As S&P collapsing from decision point 2, just like Euro had done. As S&P collapsing from decision point 2, just like S&P had done on monthly, respecting it as key support. That's all there is. Pure right for entry and Fibonacci for exits. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. If you ever have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And of course, always, most important part of the website, if you would listen to the students. Students from beginner to hedge fund manager trading the method in US and globally. Thank you, traders. Please pay attention. Stop is not random. Is once again, it's placed in perfect place, which is also the key in the course. Where to place your stop and where to place your target. Nothing ever is random. And that's the dance price does every day on any instrument, any time frame. So, and if you take a look on this chart, I would like to remind you, do you remember decision point 2 on May 6th? Was quite a problem. And that's where we are this morning. Level identified weeks in advance.